How to like Instagram stories on your Instagram mobile application. You wanted to see more contents and tutorials like this, or if you find this content and tutorial helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, without further ado, just go to your phone and then open your Instagram application. Then from your dashboard, just click whichever stories that you wanted to see. So for example, I will just click this one. And to actually react to the stories that anyone posted, just this button. And to undo it, just click it again, okay? Or you can go to the button, to the message field, and you can choose whichever reaction that you wanted to send. So for example, I will choose this one. And to confirm it, just go to your message, hit back and go to your dashboard, go to your message, and then click the account that you sent your reaction or your love into. A word of note is that I have visually reacted to their story, and if the story is posted in less than 24 hours time, you can also click that reaction. Okay, if it is already posted more than 24 hours, then you cannot click this one because Instagram story expires in 24 hours. That's pretty much how you react like Instagram stories. If you find this content or tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us simply help you to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Bye.